Hey everybody, it's Moneyman Cam, one of the founders of the Stocksplaining Discord. So this video is just a quick introduction. We're going to go over each of the categories and each of the separate channels within them. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have the Welcome Center. So the Welcome Center has the Welcome Center tab. So this is going to be strictly for LaunchPass. Everything you're going to handle through LaunchPass and your membership is going to be done through here. Next, we have the terms and conditions. So when you guys send that code to LaunchPass, you are going to be digitally signing these terms and conditions. So make sure that you guys read through these thoroughly and keep up to date with them. Occasionally, we will adjust them, but we'll go ahead and let you know what we do. We have the frequently asked questions tab. You can find information about your membership, how payments work, alerts, and spreadsheets. Announcements tab is going to be for important announcements regarding the Discord. We'll keep you posted. Now we're going to move on to the education category. So we have useful information. We have all sorts of websites that we frequently use. We also have charting software, equities brokerages, crypto brokerages. We have included our affiliate links too, but that's completely optional. But hey, if you want some free crypto, you want a free stock, you want to support us, why not? Next up, we have knowledge sharing. So this channel is going to be for you guys to share all sorts of resources that you find. It can be YouTube videos, it can be websites, everything that you think will be beneficial for the Discord members. Here we have our lesson plans. We're going to be posting lesson plans. They're going to be in the form of presentations, YouTube videos, and private videos as well. So we'll post all of those here. They're going to have guides on patterns, technical analysis, and all sorts of different information. We might venture into fundamental analysis as well. We'll keep you posted. Here we have our YouTube channel. So this is the official Stocksplaining YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe. Members are going to get access to all the alerts. But for example, for trade recaps and latest videos regarding news or new crypto, anything like that, we'll go ahead and post it on YouTube. Here in the Say Hello category, we have member bios. So we've gone ahead and listed some of our bios. Feel free to introduce yourself, talk about your background, if you have any experience trading, any experience investing, and your goals and your favorite type of strategy. Here we have member profits or losses. So if you guys want to share your portfolio profits, maybe losses from a trade, hopefully they're mostly winnings, but sometimes it's good to share losses as well because it ensures that we do not get too cocky, and it's a reminder that the market can always humble us. Next up, we have the discussion center category. So in the discussion center category, we have the general chat. This is basically where most of the chat activity is going to be. You can talk all things related to finance, all things related to investments, trading, whatever. Next up, we have the stocks tab. So this is going to be for all things stocks, anything related to stocks, equities, all of that, it'll be talked about here. Next, we have options. Feel free to talk about options related to stocks, futures, and crypto. So anything options, it's all game here. Next up, we have the cryptocurrency tab. So you guys can speak and talk about all things about cryptocurrency, new projects, tokens, all that kind of information. Here we have ask about a ticker. Simple, you just put in the name of a ticker and we'll give you a chart with technical levels and some good entry and exit zones. Here we have the suggestion box. Make sure you tag everyone and you can put a suggestion here. Automatically a thumbs up and a thumbs down will pop up and members can vote. So if a suggestion has multiple thumbs up and very few thumbs down, then it will be brought up for consideration and we can implement it. Next up, we have the alert center category. So we have day trade alerts. These are very simple. It's just going to be simple entry and exit. Because these alerts happen very quickly, we might not have time to give a good detailed explanation of why we're entering them. These are going to be pretty risky. We don't do day trades very often, only when the opportunity presents itself. The bulk of our trades are going to be done here. See, we actually have one alert we did today on Twilio. But for swing trades, this is going to be the meat and potatoes of the Discord. So most of our trades that we alert are going to be here. These are going to be for trades that can last anywhere from a week to a couple months. Then we have the long-term trade alerts. So we will give alerts on our long-term portfolio holdings. These are going to probably be for many years or until they hit our profit target. Most of this is going to be based off of fundamental analysis. We will use some technical analysis just to find the ideal entry and exit, but most of this is going to be fundamentally based. Here we have crypto swing trades. We don't really swing trade crypto very often, but sometimes there's just a purely technical setup and we will take the entry and take the exit, just to make some simple profits. You can roll them over into your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoin project that you like. The long-term crypto trades are going to be primarily for projects that we think are going to have a very, very bright future. The biggest focus we have with these long-term trade alerts is mostly the project backing, the tokenomics, and also use case. Now, we also have a performance category. So we have spreadsheets that you can go ahead and view, and you can actually make copies of these. We just ask that you do not share them with non-members. But the spreadsheets, we have all of our information for our entries, exits, success, and these are all for our stocks. We have one for our options, and we have one for our crypto. So you guys can always track our trades, full transparency. Next up, we have market briefings. So we have our morning briefing where we just give a little pre-market analysis. We have a midday briefing, and we have an end of day briefing. So these are just really quick summaries, just explaining where the market is at. We like to analyze mostly the S&P and also NASDAQ. Now, we also do have news alerts. So our market news is aggregated from multiple sources. If you click this pin up top, we have CNBC, Bloomberg, MarketWatch, Seeking Alpha, the SEC, Federal Reserve, Crypto Boom News, First Squawk News Aggregator. So these are all just going to be live straight from their Twitter feed. They will post here. Now, this is constantly buzzing. So if you don't want to be alerted all the time, make sure to go ahead and mute notifications from this channel. Here we have our earnings whispers. So this will give us our earnings calendar and expected outcomes and moves from earnings. Here we have tweets from Elon Musk, tweets from Cathie Wood, tweets from Jack Dorsey, and tweets from Hindenburg Research. And finally, at the bottom, we have our voice chat, and we will be doing our live streams all through here. So you would simply just click it, join, and you can view our streams. So this is a quick little summary about the Discord. We can't wait to welcome you guys, and thank you so much for joining.